So this is SY Sublime. In February I had a fire in the back of my engine compartment where the electrical grounded out, and in the process of adding all new electrical panel, Blue Sea Systems electrical panel, and a Victron inverter. I'll go over what I'm putting in here once it's all together. This is just an overview of what I'm doing tonight. I'm going to paint this tonight and fill it and get it ready for hookup tomorrow, which should be a good job. Sublime is a 33-foot Morgan Out Islander. I won it in a poker game, and I wasn't planning on buying a boat, but I ended up winning it, and this is what I've got. So I need some work on it, and so yeah, that's SY Sublime. Until next week, catch you later.